Welcome back to NFL Blitz. All roads this season lead to Super Bowl 61 at SoFi Stadium, stateside of Super Bowl 56. The Bengals were 2.5 minutes from becoming champs until Matt Stafford led the Rams on a game-winning touchdown drive. Been rough for Cincy. AFC title game loss. We knew that was the high water mark, followed by 2 straight playoff victories. Tannenbaum, the Bengals was in a big swing last year, taking an under 10 overall pick. With extra ones, interior defensive linemen, joining a defense that last season was 10 points allowed and had a 10th straight year with a bottom half total defense. And before the offense can carry them to a playoff run or deep playoff. Yeah, both. I think Dexter Lawrence is a great player. They had a great long day last year after that.
Oh, it's exciting.
No. Everett's 43 years old in December. Last year, they were last in the league in yards per attempt.
Honey garlic sauce. Dude, that's good. No, that's so good. No, that's good. But, oh, what are you doing? My mouth is so dirty. Okay. This is nice. So like and subscribe if you want this video part 2. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, bye.